How to view a private Twitter account without following them. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view a private Twitter account without actually following them. Now, if you open up a Twitter app, you can see if you head into your certain profile, you can look into the tweets and you can look into the profile simply tapping on the profile. However, if the account is private, you won't be able to look at their tweets and their profile information until you follow them. Now, if you want to view a Twitter account without actually following them, then the only possible way is to create a dummy account. Since you don't want to be following them through your main account, you can create a dummy account and then follow them, and through it you can be able to view other tweets and such stuffs. To create a Twitter account, if you are logged into your account, first what you want to do is tap on the top left corner profile, tap on it, and then tap on the three dots option that you can see, and here you'll be able to create a new account or add if you have already another one. It's because due to the Twitter security concerns and security algorithm, there is no any way that you can breach the security of Twitter. Even if some third-party apps or websites allows you to do so, it's probably a fake and a scam, and you're just falling into a scam. So avoid third-party websites and apps that promises you to look into the private account that you don't follow. The simpler way and the safest way is to just simply head and create a dummy account and then follow them, and you'll be able to look at the tweets without actually following them from your main account. So this way you can view a private Twitter account without following them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.